Hello, it's Kate from Inkstampshare.ink and it's Saleabration Sunday, and I want to show you the beautiful springtime foil papers we've got free with Saleabration. They are stunning. I don't know if you can see the shine on that. You get a big packet of these. It's 12 by 12 size paper, and you have 12 sheets in there, and there are 4 designs and you get 3 sheets of each, and they are foiled, and they're very thick cardstock weight. So this is the spots, and it's got rose gold foiling. There's 3 of those. These are the silver and gold, absolutely stunning. They're really pretty. And this is the stripe, silver stripe, absolutely pretty, gorgeous. I think there's one more. Let's have a look. Have I shown you them all? Oh yeah, and the flower, the roses. Isn't this beautiful? And I'm going to show you how we can colour this paper, this card, and make a card with it. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so let's have that straight. Okay, so I've done some of my prep already just to make it a little bit easier. I've got my card base, which is a piece of A4 Whisper White. I've cut it in half at 14.8 centimetres and scored it in half again at 10.5 centimetres. And then all of my layers, I've got two more layers to go on the top. They're half a centimetre small all the way around. All those measurements will be on my blog at Inkstampshare.ink, so do pop over and have a look so you don't have to write it down. This I've put powder pink, and that's that next layer. And then my next layer is the coloured in papers. And this is how I've coloured it in. This is the one with the roses on and the kind of rose gold foiling. Now I did one earlier, and I'll show you this one. This one is use the stamping blends, the alcohol markers, and I have done that in the dark and light pink pirouette and the dark and light stamping blends. There you go, there's the 4 that I've used of those for this card. Absolutely stunning. So I thought I'd have a go, because you can blend it slightly. It's a very glossy card. You can blend it a little bit. And I thought I'd have a change up with this one. I've had a go with the Stampin' Right markers. I've used the same old olive. It comes out quite a lot darker. And I have, instead of using pink pirouette, I think I've used Blushing Bride for this one. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to colour it in. It is slightly glossy, so it takes a little while to dry. But it's so easy, and it's really, really pretty. So basically there's 2 ends to the marker, and I'm going to take the brush tip end and I'm just going to colour it in. And I don't actually have to stay inside the lines with the Stampin' Right markers, because it's like Emboss Resist, where it's foiled it won't stay, it won't stick to it. If you use the alcohol markers, however, you have to be a little bit more careful, because it will stay on the foiling edge. So I'm just going to literally colour it in. But I didn't think you'd want to sit and watch me colour the whole thing in, which is why I started it off. So you can move your colour around a little bit, because it's quite glossy paper. And it's gorgeous. So that's that bit. And then I've just got 1 leaf left to do here. There we go. And basically that's all the colouring in done, but it didn't take me very long at all to do the rest. And then you can take a tissue and you can polish your card so you can see all the gold foiling even better. And if there's any little areas you've missed, I mean, you can just, because it does move around, you just pop back in and go over those however you'd like. There we are. And it's just really pretty. So I am going to literally put that onto my layer. Let's hope it's dried enough, using Tombow adhesive. On the back, like that. Just a little bit. This one's running out. Seems to go on forever though, doesn't it? Oh yeah, you can see where it was still a bit wet there. Never mind. Okay, I'll just pop it on the middle, like so. And then the whole thing can go straight onto my card base. actually try it with the powder pink. I think the powder pink pen would be very subtle. I might try that as well. And I will have them on my blog. I'll do this one, and the one I've done with the blends, and then I'll try this with the powder pink pen, and I'll put all the photos on my blog and you can see the difference in the colours. Right, that's that one. What I've done then is we've got some really beautiful dies that are free with Saleabration as well. And they come in a pack of 3. So we have got Celebrate and Amazing. I'm just grabbing it. And sorry about my arm. You. So we've got Celebrate, Amazing, You. And those are those gorgeous dies, and that's what I've used to make the words on the front of my card. And I've put them over here. So I've already cut those out. You can see where I've cut them from. I've used some of the champagne coloured foil card that Stampin' Up have. We had it first in the winter catalogue and it was carried over, and it's absolutely stunning. So I've used that to cut out the Celebrate, and then I've just used an extra piece of the powder pink card, and I've cut out the U like that, and I'm going to stick them on, and then it's pretty much done once I've done that. So I just need to stick that down a bit. So I'm going to use Tombow to stick my Celebrate on. You can use your fine tip glue pen if you prefer. Don't really have a problem. Don't need a huge amount. And I'm going to stick that on the card. Right there. Just give that a moment to dry. And I'm going to raise the U up slightly. So I've got some dimensionals and I'm just going to cut them to fit. I do have some of the mini dimensionals somewhere. But to be honest, even those are going to be a little bit big for these letters. So I'm just going to chop some up to fit. It's quite ironic using these beautiful springtime foil papers. The weather's just strange. We're into March tomorrow, and no, we're in March, sorry. We're already in March, and it's been absolutely bucketing down with snow here. So it is really weird weather. Very cold for us. Not for a lot of people, I know, but for us it's very cold. We're having sort of -5 and temperatures like that, which is, you know, we're not quite used to it being so cold. So when it's cold, stay in the warm and craft. There we go. So I've just got some of those little dimensionals on there. Just stick it onto the card. We don't want any bits showing though, that's the only thing. Let's just trim it. There we are. Could do with another little bit on there, couldn't I, really? Decent bit, I would say. I made a lovely mess with that green ink, haven't I? That's all right. Okay, I'm just going to pop the U on. And the reason I raised it up is because the pink matches. I don't want it to get swallowed up by the background. There, it's a Celebrate You. And the stamp set that kind of matches, well, does match these dies, is also another Saleabration set. And they have the exact same words. So they've got the U and they've got the Celebrate in there and the Amazing. And I'm going to stamp inside Celebrate Amazing You, I think. And I'm going to use the Blushing Bride ink. I better move some of this stuff out of the way. to go inside. Right, so if I open this one up, I'm going to put amazing in the pink. Let's make sure I have it up the right way. Right, amazing. And then we'll go, I think I'm going to do the other two words in black to make the amazing pop out. So I've got celebrate. Right here. And then you at the bottom. Perfect. So it's not upside down. There we go. So we've got Celebrate Amazing You on the inside, and we've got Celebrate You on the outside with these beautiful foiled papers. I don't know which one I like the best. I think I prefer the more subtle one. What do you think? I also think the blends kind of blend better onto this glossy paper, although they're both really pretty. I'm going to try it with a powder pink. It'll all be on my blog, so you'll be able to see the 3 different ones. I hope you like it. If you're interested in getting any of these things from Saleabration, do hop over to my online shop at Inkstampshare.ink, where you'll find the link to go shopping. And if you do a £45 spend, you can get these papers for free. These are the springtime foils that I've just shown you. You get those for free. If you spend £90, you get a set of dies for free, the Amazing You and Celebrate. And they're fab dies, so you've got all your shopping and then you get those for free, which is amazing. We've never had dies in our free offerings before, so we like those. And also, if you like the stamp set, that's also a free Saleabration item, but they're all there for you to browse if you like. If you like the card and you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.